What's going on, fellas? Parking lot differentials fluid change today. It's hot, but we gotta do. We got the bucket. Now I'm gonna remove this plug right here and then the bottom one to drain it. I gotta clean all around this plug because I don't want any dirt to get inside. Half inch. Okay. All right. I got it loose with a different wrench. It's clean. I tried to change it every 250,000 miles, but look at this. Not even dirty. And almost nothing on the plug. This is nothing. Nice. The transmission fluid was changed whenever I was replacing the radiator, so it's like 50,000 miles on it. Gonna leave it. Look in the plug, fellas. Where's the zoom? I don't want to zoom. Look. This is nothing. Clean. Got the oil right here. 75W90 full synthetic. I think 3.5 gallon goes to each box. And unfortunately I don't have the electric pump, so I'm gonna have to do it something like this. I hope it's gonna go well. So, bottom plug is going back in. Okay. Well, let's check this out. This is the cheap hand pump. Nice. I like it. Me gusta. It's pumping nice. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, look. I got like half gallon in this one. Few pumps and it's gone. Nice, another gallon. Next gallon. For some reason I can't put the cap on, so I don't know if you guys can see this with the GoPro right here. I can't screw this cap on, but it doesn't really matter because it's pumping nice anyway. I just have to hold it with my left hand. Check this out. Nice. Me gusta mucho. Another gallon is almost done. I think it's quicker than the electric pump. Last time I used the hand pump, but completely different, and it was pain in the butt. This is nice. See, gallon is gone. Wow. Oh, not yet, but almost. Well, 2 more gallons, and first differential done. Yeah, it's empty. That's why I'm making the sounds. And I'm not spilling anything with the hand pump that I used like 250,000 miles ago. Jesus, the oil was everywhere. Look, empty. Wow. And I'm sure I can put this cap on somehow. I'm just not gonna spend time to do this. Fellas, 150, 160 pumps per 1 gallon. I don't think it's bad. It works really nice and it's cheap. So second gallon is in. Third one is coming in. And that's the sign. Look guys, that's the sign the box is full. Okay. This one is done. Let's move to the front one. The same procedure. The oil might be a little bit more dirty, but let's do it. Same thing, fellas. I just cleaned this all around. Now let's drain this thing. Well, this one is a little bit more dirty. Almost nothing on the plug. See? Just a little bit of shaving, but this is nothing. Look at the color. You can still see the brown. And you can hear the breather is working. So I don't even have to clean it. Look. Look. See? I was thinking to replace the breathers, but they are working good. A little bit of shavings on the second plug. I don't know, just a little bit, but this is the first differential, so it's always worse. But look, it's not bad at all. Okay. The plug is going back. So that's how the front differential oil look like. Not too bad in my opinion. What do you guys think? No glitters or nothing. Now I have to find a good position to put the, I think from the top, to pump the oil back in. Okay guys, so with this one I need a little bit of gymnastics positions. Oh. especially when I'm pumping. But it's almost finished. I was thinking that I'm gonna pump it from the top. There's no way. Okay, should be full very soon because it's about 3.5 gallons already. No, maybe not, because there was something left in this one. The last one was not completely empty. Gotta be about full. Yep. Let's see, it's coming out. It's coming out, guys. No more pumps. We full. Alright, fellas, plug, and we done here. Plug is right here. It's coming out. All right. Now I'm gonna torque all 4 plugs. So both boxes, guys, drain and fill 35 foot-pounds, and we done here. Adios.